And Mike Calisaan, vital cog para dito sa San Juan. They look to make an early statement here going up against the Cebu Classic.
A very makeable layup shot for Daryl. Oh, what a pass!
Kita mo yung impeccable passing, no? Nitong San Juan.
That's just playing together.
They get the first field goal here. They get a stop. Romar ahead. And he lays it up and in for nothing for the Knights.
Roland Wamar and the rest of the San Juan Knights.
But another steal by Manligues. And he passes it to Dennis Santos for their first field goal.
At saka dito nakikita mo yung combination talaga ng mga players dito.
Both of these teams, 4-2 is our score. Ubalde. One-hander from Lepalam.
Sabi nila, huwag mong papayagan na straight line drive building. And the mere fact that you have Coach Tantan Banal there as part of the coaching staff, this is a young group of coaches that understand players and put a premium on.
Punta kay Maikes. Dangerous pass. Martel able to escape and throws it down.
Lian Martel providing the
6. Maikes. Sinugod yung depensa ni Lepalam and scores against him.
Well,
great stop by the Knights. And great pass, Wamar to Hugnatan.
when you look at the stat, Adamson.
Steal here by John Galinato. 3-on-1 fast break opportunity. Galinato scores. Hombes, Lian Martel, and Boom Boom Tampos.
Good move.
And great cut. Weak side backdoor from Hero.
They've had every piece moving in that last offensive action.
Catch and shoot free, automatic for John Galinato. See here, Royce Alforque. Great skip pass to John Galinato, who obliges for that triple. Early
San Juan, the attempts +5 pa nga in favor of Cebu. They're getting more attempts, pero the
as balloon to 11. Great up fake, Hero. Tampos, last second dish to Lian Martel. Now backing his defender down. Goes to Sabandal again. That left corner triple of beauty para dito sa San Juan. Boom Boom Tampos. Quick response on the other end.
Sagutan kaagad itong dalawang nagbaban. Pero nakikita mo nandun yung reads. No? That's the right read in that situation. Oh, what a 1-2 by Clientes Camis. Ano?
And part of that coaching staff was former San Juan head coach Nanie Pondulan.
Yeah.
Ahead is Boom Boom Tampos against Wamar. And he...
Ang tingin mo? Kaya? Sabi ni Boom Tampos. And that just shows yung confidence, no? And his confidence really is coming from his competence. Alam niya yung kakayanan niya against everyone. And he
was able to slide in, glide through, get the offensive rebound, and score against the much bigger Hombes there. Wamar guarded by Bangkale, navigating through that Calisaan pick. Taonera catch and shoot from the mid-range.
Actually comfortably score without having to try so much multiple dribbles. Oh, Hombes.
7, 30-23. Calisaan rolls that one in. Wamar turns the corner. Steal by Tampos. He has a running start. And gets it up over.
Yung amuyan sa mga bawat players and their schemes, but there is going to get a time for them na maka. And you have to like the attitude of Orlan Mars.
Lepalam bubbles up the ball. Meneses able to clean that one up.
That's where he's best.
Cebu showing a lot of fight to begin the third. Manligues, not much resistance.
He's just too smooth. Look at this, full speed downhill, and look at that graceful finish.
Steal, back-to-back steals from Mark Meneses. Full head of steam. Dennis Santos slide in transition. Manligues, the lob high in the sky play. 7-0 run. Viloria pull up.
There you go.
Pamatay sunog.
Never fear, Cranial is here. Ano si Boom Boom Tampos.
Oh, what find there by Manligues.
Fast breaks, it's the bigs that gotta be involved for Cebu, including this guy right here.
First lead for Cebu, courtesy of that free by Dennis. Villapando, skies high.
Thought of Denny Santos as kind of like the Kevin Durant of the airs. Naintindihan mo na na-scorer ito at may range.
And he might...
thing with the game is just his confidence. You see this move again here by the bigs.
Fight for the ball. Santos ends up with it.
Love the active.
34 years of age. Suited up last season.
6% clip from the field. Had 5 rebounds as well. Rainiel talaga.
Inside they go. Maikes, reverse. Calinato, a steal again by Manligues. Santos, quick 3. Yes!
Manligues surveys the field. CC shooter. I know you made a shot there earlier. Make one again.
Yun yung Cebu kasi hindi rin. Santos,
Nice
fakes.
fake.
Fly by 3, rolls out, but
Oh,
Meneses
man.
gets the basket, plus a foul.
He's got that hop and that length to be able to get the rock and stick it back in.
Coming off more minutes here
Yes.
for Cebu.
Yeah.
Of San Juan, what can they produce here? Sa Bandal, Kalisan offering that screen. Joem, jumper, good.
There you go.
By Kiss.
They lose that 2 for 1 now. They don't have it.
Meneses though goes downhill.
man.
Jameson Hero, that familiar sidestep, free.
Oh, wow.
It's good. Quarter scoring natin. You see that 17-point turnaround by Cebu in the third.
Yeah, plus 17 scoring right there in the third quarter for Cebu, which was pretty big. Boy, Noy, parang ikaw tong 3 points na to. Jameson Hero, look at that, hand in the face, knocks it down, runs quickly down, and then you open it up with that quick basket coming, a 3-pointer coming from.
Nalamangan sila ng 19 puntos.
And having enough talent to with how these guys have been playing.
Campos gets fouled while taking a free. Let's take a look. Hard close out. Actually, dalawa. Ang sumabay doon sa press. Campos. So, Campos, Mr. Ryan Septimo. So, Sayan pala. Ayan. Campos finally knocks down a free throw. Kalisaan looking for someone. They go to Maikes at the post against Lian Martel. Marquez got away with that.
You know, pretty much staying true to their schemes,
Dito. Maikes was hit in the face.
Oh, yeah.
4-point lead sa Bandal. Great
Oh,
pass.
wow.
Kalisaan cuts in and scores.
Who was gonna cover the roller? Oh no!
They get a steal and the basket tight after that Meneses miss. Chance for San Juan to retake the lead. One-hander by Gamboa. Automatic.
And
To misfire from the outside. Maikes. Free throw by Maikes. All
to lackluster third quarter. So but since this run by the Knights, he's been hesitant.
Oh, what a move. Now you see me. Now you don't. Arvin Gamboa. Santos. Three-pointer. Much needed basket para dito sa Cebu. Against Manligues. Maikes, quick free. The great response.
Going glass.
Pero ito nga, no, yung sagot naman kanina sa press ni Santos, ni Dexter.
Composure na to. Battle of poise. Oh, what a move!
The pirouette from the pass. Martel giving chase. Maikes gets the basket for Cebu. Hero, sidestep free again.
Oh, wow!
Big free to cut this lead down to 2. 63.
Right here. Orlan on him, really just took a 1-2 side footwork and knocks it down, finding the bottom of the net. Now this is a one-possession game.
And with 35.3 seconds left. Sa Bandal, the fake, the free. No! Martel gets it. But cuffs it up. But one off time, Santos was closer. No! Campos, put back. No good.
Oh,
And that's gonna do it.
Jameson does the right thing, and then you see, oh wow, he got another attempt. Campos couldn't get it in, and that's just it.
Down here against San Juan. Best player of the game is brought to you by 1xBet. And Dexter Marquez, especially here in the second half, despite the uprising of the Cebu Classic, holding steady down the stretch, holding the fort para dito sa San Juan Knights as they get their first victory of the season. And Dexter Marquez, solid performance, 60 points.